Machine Man!
Every year at the NAMA show, you'll see new machines, new tech, and if you're lucky, new opportunities. This year, I got an exclusive look at some unreleased vending technology with Jim Chico, the VP of Global Sales and Marketing at USI, my go-to vending supplier. Jim is someone who's just as excited about the future of this industry as I am. USI have been working on something big, new technology that's all about solving real problems we face out in the field.
Our head of engineering. Probably it's ideal let him give you a demo.
Okay.
Because we're doing because of its stage, it's so we're like literally in the last 90 days we created this. But it's early level, still with a lot of finishing to do. We're targeting September for the field trial, December production. So end of this year, right? Fourth quarter. Okay. So it's product detection technology, which is load cell scale. And then there is a hand tracking technology once your hand enters. So whatever product you're on will appear in the display with the price, with the menu, with the calorie, whatever you want to put in there.
Yeah.
Once the product is taken, the weight technology, the load cell weight technology will check you out. Close the door, your transaction is closed.
I like that.
If you remember 2 years ago, we showed the Scan and Go, which was our hybrid, the cooler that was a satellite, the vending machine, which was the host. You had to check out, you had to scan it, and then you had to check out. 2 steps too many. Most operators want to go swipe, take the product, close the door, walk away.
I'll walk away,
And that's where we're going. So this first version is non-refrigerated, so it's basically the capacity of a 6-wide snack machine at the price point of about a 5-wide snack machine.
Okay.
The best feature that everybody is excited is there's no software required, so you can operate it just like a standard vending machine. So any MDB device, credit card reader, or pre-authorized reader for a swipe will let you do the transaction with no software fees. So,
I need to get footage of that. Okay, nice.
The key for it is just a quick experience for the consumer. That they don't have to do pressing buttons, and this is where the industry is going, as you can see, walking around the show floor.
Yes.
And we're excited. It's going to be our first full step into that space.
Once Jim broke it down, I went over to check out the tech for myself. Just as I was heading over for the demo, Matt Shattuck, Creative Service Director at USI, popped into my frame and gave me one of those classic Matt moments.
No, show me love. What's going on, man?
He had me laughing as always. I reminded me that vending is serious business, but we don't always have to be.
Matt.
Yeah, I know. That cool?
That is sweet. These rigs? Yeah, these are nice.
Ashley Hubler, Chief Marketing Officer, came over to compliment my camera rig. Always nice when someone at the top appreciates the hustle. After that quick laugh, it was time to see the tech in action. And for that, I met up with Andres Negrete, VP of Engineering at USI.
This is pre-alpha, so it's very early in the development, so it's got 3 months of development to it. So it may be quirky, but it's going to do something that you've probably never seen. So a lot of these solutions, you close the transaction, and that's when you know how much you're going to get charged. So a lot of people wondering, like, how much is this worth? So you're going to see how much the Doritos are. It's 15 cents. Oh, that Hershey bar. Oh, that's 10 cents. So see, I'm not even touching it. You can just hover over, and it'll tell you what the product is. And then when you remove it, automatically. So you see how I'm not even touching it. And it's telling you. So not even touching, it's already telling you what the product is. So that is something that it's our technology and patent pending. So it's in process. We should be out with this by late this year. We're going to start some beta testing. So still not there, still in development, but we're very excited that we feel just that interaction is going to be very exciting for the consumers.
Wow. That's hype. I like that.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, man.
And then when you're done shopping, you just close the door, checks you out, and you know exactly how much you're getting. It's a 5-wide tray. in capacity, and the depth and the width is a 5 wide tray. Okay. So the difference is you don't have the drop zone of the machine. So the front of the machine it's smaller, so it's less depth. And the width, you take all that monetary, so you put it in front and in here. So you just lose the capacity of this tray, but it's got more capacity than a 5 wide with a smaller footprint, and the price is going to be relatively the same as the 5 wide machine. Like the 5 wide Evo.
As Jim and Andres explained, this system isn't on the market yet, but you can expect it to roll out later this year. And from what I've seen, it's going to make a serious impact. Huge thanks to Jim, Andres, Matt, Ashley, Anna, Bob, and the entire USI team. It means a lot to be a part of these conversations and see the future of vending up close. If you're in the vending game, this is the kind of innovation you want to pay attention to. More content from 2025 NAMA Show is on the way. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share. And if you're looking to upgrade your vending setup, link me. I got the plug. Machine man, the machine things.